Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at USD analysis. Since the previous time that I have posted the price was close to the top of the structure, we are going to look at this movement and to see what happened. However, also on the other part we can see that the Bank of Japan is not doing anything at all. So it has been the only focus for this year because the Bank of Japan is not supporting its currency. Probably they are doing this by purpose, or probably their focus is only USD yen, and that is why they are not taking further actions here. So let's see what may happen because we have many data to look at. During the previous time, we are looking at this bigger picture. This was the bigger picture that I was looking at. And for a possible resistance close to the resistance line of the pattern, as you may see, it proved to be very strong, and it was also a strong confluence zone with 148 price related with USD yen, and this is also a price that was monitored from the Bank of Japan. During this period of time, since when the price reached 144, 45, sorry, they sent also only messages in the market that we are watching it closely, we may take further actions, we will change the yield curve, but they didn't do anything at all. However, probably many of you are asking why all of this happened. So we can never know this for sure, considering that the Bank of Japan, and we have also the example of the Swiss National Bank, they are manipulating the market in a crazy way. The movement that happened from the top, it was a big corrective movement. It was 780 pips, so it was not small at all as a movement. But at this moment, when the price came close to the top, it was very strange because all of this wave here began in a very strange way. It was looking like the Bank of Japan was intervening in the market. It moved in all the amperes, but exists also the possibility that the market reacted because they were expecting for the Bank of Japan to intervene here, because this was the benchmark that they were looking at. I think that probably they already did something here because it was the first big movement that validated also the pattern. But let's see what is going to happen next. So from the top that we are looking at this, the price was near the top when we are looking at during the previous time, and as you can see we are close to the bottom here, and later the price was getting ready again, and I explained also two possible scenarios, one short and one even deeper. The problem was related with the non-farm payroll data. If the non-farm payroll data were going to be soft, then the price could have moved lower at this point, and it was another one that we could have seen the first scenario in better than expected non-farm payroll data. However, the focus was also related with the big players, as you can see, the old note, because they were going to think that the Bank of Japan has to take further actions again, and they were going to push the price higher. And after the price validated a bigger bearish movement, we can see that these players push the price up again. During the previous week, price moved down anticipating a possible uh, a possible move from the Bank of Japan, that they were going to change the yield curve as they promised several times. They didn't do anything at all. I didn't understand their clear messages, so all of this delusion here created this bullish wave, and the price increased up for nearly 470 pips. We have to be very careful because so far we are again close to the non-farm payroll data. It is not the problem with the non-farm payroll data, as you can see. The problem is that the price so far is above the structure zone, and the chances could be higher that we may see USD yen to reach the top, and later the market may anticipate that now the Bank of Japan will be in alert again. So this is the reason why the price is not stopping at all from the bullish movement, because it is expecting that the Bank of Japan will take further actions close to 145, or probably they will come out with any other statement. So this is a possible scenario that we may see for USD yen after it will reach the top. However, we have two possible moves that may happen. Tomorrow we have the ADP employment change. It will give us an idea about the non-farm payroll data, how non-farm payroll data may come out. This month it is expected that from 497 it is expected to slow down to 189. However, during the previous month, despite the fact that this indicator was very strong, and usually ADP and non-farm payroll data are in correlation with each other, we saw that non-farm payroll data didn't came out according to this number. So they were better than expected, but not as high as it was expected from the ADP numbers. For this month, on Friday, where it will be also the focus, for the non-farm payroll data, it is expected to come out close to 200K. It was 209, so they are very close. Even if we are going to have the same number, 209, that could be possible, probably we may see a small bullish reaction. However, the first bullish reaction that I am expecting this time can happen during ADP data tomorrow, during the US market opening. Probably, if this indicator will come out better than expected again, probably it may push USD yen up to 145. And here we can see another sell-off again, or at least the Bank of Japan may come out for another speech or with another comment that they are still watching closely the market. So let's see what is going to happen so far. But for the moment, this is creating something bigger. This is a type of triangle. I don't think that the price will increase more than 145, considering that the Bank of Japan probably is focused only on the yen pairs, but everything can happen. So let's see. This is overall what I'm looking at for USD yen. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button, follow, and leave a comment if you think that it's worth. Thank you so much. Bye bye.